The massive flooding in parts of Maharashtra. Massive flooding has been reported from Chiplun in Ratnagiri district of Maharashtra. Look at those pictures. Pictures from this town of Chiplun show several areas completely inundated. The local market, bus station and railway station are all submerged. In nearby Khed Tehsil, the Jagbudi river is also flowing above the danger mark. The river is flowing at 7.75 meters while the danger level is 7 meters. Flood alerts have been sounded in nearby areas. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has held an emergency meeting. He has directed the disaster management units and concerned departments to stay vigilant and start rescue operations immediately. Water levels in the rivers are constantly rising and citizens staying close by are advised to take adequate precautions and cooperate with the administration. Look at those pictures there coming in from Maharashtra of heavy rain and flooding. Let's go across to Saurabh Gupta to understand the gravity of the situation. Saurabh, what's the situation in Ratnagiri right now and what's the status of rescue operations there?
Well, to begin with, the Coast Guard and the NDRF have been pressed into rescue operations. That's the immediate need of the hour. The waters of the swelling Savitri River have completely engulfed Chiplun town, and that's something that's perhaps those stunning or dramatic visuals will tell you how bad the situation is. But obviously, this is of course after a heavy night of rainfall, and just to give you a context of how much rainfall has happened in the catchment areas, not in Mumbai, but in the surrounding areas in Mumbai, is the fact that, you know, the water stocks, the capacity of Mumbai's lakes that supply water to the city, which is located in the catchment areas in the mountains nearby, those stocks, the water stocks have jumped 17% in one day. That's the amount of rainfall that's fallen in those areas, and all along the Konkan there's been heavy rainfall. The forecast for heavy rainfall continues for the next 2 days. So that's the worrying situation, and several rivers are already flowing over the danger level. Chiplun is flooded. There has been reports of flooding from Mahad as well in Raigad district. So that's something that's happened. The Mumbai-Goa highway, which passes through the Konkan region, has been shut for traffic. Central Railway trains have been suspended because of boulders falling in the Ghat section in Kasara, and in some places the ballast under the trucks being washed away as well. So that's the reason why train services also have been suspended. Mumbai-Goa highway traffic suspended, and flooding in Chiplun town in Ratnagiri district of Maharashtra.
Alright, Saurabh Gupta, we leave it there. Thanks very much for joining us with those details. Those pictures are very grim over there, showing just how concerning the situation is there in Ratnagiri and Raigad district. Alright, joining us to discuss the situation there in Maharashtra, retired Air Vice Marshal G.P. Sharma, President Meteorology and Climate Change at SkyMet, and retired Brigadier Vinod Datta, Senior Consultant at the National Institute of Disaster Management. Air Vice Marshal G.P. Sharma, if I can come to you first. First of all, what is the forecast in the Konkan area of Maharashtra, Konkan region of Maharashtra, particularly in Ratnagiri, over the next few days?
Rohit, I'm afraid for the next at least about 48 hours, I don't see any relief. Okay. Thereafter, possibly, yes, rains may moderate a bit, but then 48 hours, starting with today itself, now itself, already it has started pouring there. Yeah. Yesterday also it poured over Ratnagiri, and then it's not only yesterday, previous to that also, this is the place, particularly Ratnagiri has been having a downpour day after day. And that's what possibly has caused this situation. Along with that, even other parts of Maharashtra also. It's a very, very serious situation.
Yes.
And particularly if you talk about Ratnagiri, I don't see any relief in the next 48 hours or so. Yeah.
So no relief likely in the next 48 hours. Brigadier Datta, what's the situation there at the ground at the moment? How challenging are the operations, the rescue operations there?
Well, Rohit, the State Disaster Management Authority as well as the National Disaster Management Authority has pressed in all the might and resources in Maharashtra. And the situation is quite challenging and grim. And since most of the districts have been impacted, and as the monsoon knocks in Maharashtra on say about 7th or 8th of June. The dates are almost sacrosanct. But the problems gets compounded because of the man-made as well as the geographical and geological situation which is obtained especially in Mumbai. And Chiploon is a beautiful town of Ratnagiri district, and since it is flooded beyond control,
Yes.
the major factor, especially if I talk about Mumbai, has been concretization. You see the intertidal areas, the kind of cutting of the trees, the reclaiming of the lands, and not revising, because
Yes.
it is a yearly phenomena.
Yes.
I mean, there is sweet little the BMC has been doing. I mean, except making a rhetoric that yes, we have done this, and
Yes.
one line always comes ki BMC ki poll khul gayi hai. So all these factors, what it requires is that the actions have to be translated on ground.
Yes.
Now people are fed up. You see the challenges which people are making. It
Yes.
is making their life, insecure.
Right.
If you see, there are hardly any, places, and there is a cartel between the contractors and, the BMC, where people like, earlier there used to be on footpaths,
Yes.
the, kacha areas or the tree, those tree troughs were there.
Yes.
Everything has been concretized. So now there is no, place where the water can go. Secondly, the rivers. You see, whether you take Ulas River, whether you take Meethi River, or whether you take any other river, I mean, the desilting has not been done, or whatever is being done, it is an eyewash. In fact, the rivers are seeing a reverse flow.
Right. Right, sir. I'll come back to you. Let me get in a word from Air Vice Marshal Sharma. Sir, are these seasonal rains, or do you see something abnormal here? For example, in Ratnagiri, the July rain has been 1,781.7 millimeters. This has broken a 40-year record. Lakes supplying Mumbai have risen 17% in just one day. Why is this happening?
Absolutely, Rohit, you are absolutely right. It's Ratnagiri, along with Ratnagiri, the Konkan region. You talked about Ratnagiri breaking record, even Mumbai, I will say.
Yes.
The already seasonal rainfall has been achieved for Mumbai, over 2,000 millimeter for the season.
Yes.
This is a little severe and very, very intense rains, incessant rains, and that too for days together have been there. And what has happened is, because of this continuous and incessant rains for days together, firstly your ground is saturated, it no more absorbs, and it is very specific to the Western Ghats that the problem gets compounded. When the rains are excessive, all your water bodies, be it lakes, be it rivers, be it dams, they start overflowing. So not only the heavy rains compound the situation, you have additional one overflowing from these water bodies, and then further the situation becoming critical. I will
Yes.
say it's obviously it's a grave situation.
Yes.
And the infrastructure already has been put to test, and as he said, Brigadier Datta also, every time it's the same song, same story,
Yes.
and then we are hardly able to rescue our people. Okay?
Right.
It's a very, very pity situation for them, I will say. Yes,
Right,
Rohit.
Brigadier Datta, we are now getting information that for the month of July, the all-time highest rainfall of 480 millimeters has been reported today over Mahabaleshwar. So today's rainfall, in fact, is the second highest ever recorded over Mahabaleshwar. Can the administration be prepared for such a deluge?
Rohit very rightly brought out that these are the impacts
Yes.
of climate change. The weather pattern is shifting. You will realize that, for better part of June or July,
Yes.
the days are drier, and then you see, heavy downpour. Now, the system, as AVM has already mentioned,
Yes.
that the system is so brittle. The moment it is put to test, it breaks like, it is as thin or as sensitive as a wafer. So what happens is the system is neither geared up, there is no work audit, and there is no accountability. So people should be held accountable. Like if you see that BMC parking, the flooding took place right up to 25 meters. You imagine the people who have, pledged or who has kept their cars there. I mean, every season you couldn't be changing your cars.
Yes.
And they are charging a huge, the contracts are running into crores.
Yes.
So that accountability has to be there. The authorities are supposed to be enablers. They cannot be impediment, or they cannot
Right.
divorce themselves from any responsibility whatsoever.
Yes. Air Vice Marshal Sharma, these unusual weather patterns, can there be an advance warning for them, or they are like sudden and unpredictable?
See, Rohit, actually when the monsoon season started, yes, there was a very heavy downpour. That's on 9th of June or so. But after that, we almost had a lull as far as Mumbai is concerned. Mumbai has a lull because the light and moderate rains actually we don't count as such. Okay, and then possibly we became a little complacent in that. But certainly we were caught when month of July, and actually middle of July itself, thereafter it has been pouring day after day, having you see more than 200 millimeter rainfall, 300. Mahabaleshwar in any case is an exception. It's a Cherrapunji of Western Ghats, wherein it pours like that, 300, 400 millimeter of rainfall in about 24 hours time. It happens. Okay, it is one of the rainiest places after Cherrapunji. It is one of the rainiest pocket in Western Ghats with that. But then you see all these things we have been seeing in the recent past, be it the change of pattern changing because of the frequently which we call as a climate change or a global warming or so. There are increase in the intense weather, high impact weather events, and particularly in a geography like the Western Ghats, wherein it multiplies. Okay, the catchment areas, they are a big threat to the water bodies wherein it rains heavily, very heavily, and from there the water flows down. You have no other way to control that flow of water. Where
Yes.
will it go? It will have to flow down from those water bodies to the terrain or the people where they are staying, and that's how he mentioned about 20 feet high. It's something we can't. It's beyond imagination that 20 feet high wall of water. If you have, what do you do?
Yes.
And then I'm telling you, there is no relief from this. These are going to be there. High impact weather event, intense frequency weather event are going to be a part of this weather pattern even in the coming days.
Yes.
Better be prepared. Better. Yeah.
All right, Air Vice Marshal GP Sharma and Brigadier Vinod Datta, thanks very much for joining us with your perspective on this grim situation there in parts of Maharashtra.